Good evening to all. So this is Elluk Kumar from SNS College of Technology and from Computer Science Department. So now I'm going to tell about C programming basics. In C programming basics, we are going to discuss about decision making statements like if statement and go to statement and switch statement. So what is a decision making statement? So decision making statement, or it is called or also and also it is called as uh, conditional statements. Okay. So this is about decision making statements. So see, conditional statements allow you to make a decision based upon the result of a condition. So these statements are also called as a decision making statement or a conditional statements. Okay. So decision making statements. So this is are used to verify a given condition and decide whether it is a statement gets executed or and it is not based on the condition result. Okay, so whether we are using a different type of conditions, the program is going to check the conditions 1 2 and it is give the true or false statement. So based on the true or false statement, the program will give the outputs based on the user need. Okay, so the flowchart for decision making technique in C and expert has given as a given. First one, condition. The condition is true, it is execute the conditional code. So the condition is false, it is directly execute the code. Okay, what is the difference between condition and then conditional code? The condition is, once the condition is true, means it will execute the block of code for the condition. Okay, so that is the main method used in condition statement or decision making. So now we are going to see about types. Okay, we have different condition statement or decision making statement. So condition statement C is first one if statement, so second one go to statements, and then switch statements and conditional operators. So now we are going to see about if statement. So in a if statement we have four categories. One is if statement, and the second one is if else statement, third one nested if else statement, fourth one else if statement. Okay, so now simple statement, if statement in C. So what is if statement? So if statement is used to make a decision based on a condition. So the statements verify the given condition and decide whether the block of statements are executed or not based on the condition result. So in a if statement, we are classified into simple if statement, if else statement, and nested if statement, and if else if statement, if else ladder. Okay. So now simple if statement. So what is simple if statement? So we are going to execute the one program with using of if condition. So the if condition is used to when we have only one option that is executed or skipped based on a condition. Okay, for example, we are going to check whether we are eligible to vote or not. Okay, so what is the condition used for whether we are going to eligible for vote or not? Means if age less than 18, if the age greater than 18. So the two conditions. So less than 18, it's not eligible. It is greater than 18 to eligible, is eligible to vote. Okay, so now we are going to take if age greater than or equal to 18. So we are eligible to vote. So that is the main condition. Okay, so syntax for if condition. If condition, so condition is if age of greater than 18, if block of code print you are eligible to vote, otherwise print you are not eligible to vote. Okay, so the execution flow diagram for if statement. So first one, the condition, so simple condition. So the condition is true, means it will execute the remaining the program lines. So if the condition is false, means directly exiting program. Okay, that is called if statement. For example, test whether the given number is divisible by 5. Okay, so now I am using header file include standard input output dot get, include console input output dot get. So in a main function I am using a int data type and then n variable. I am using clear screen for clear output. So printf, I'm using printf, enter any integer. So number, it is divisible by 5 means I'm going to give 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, this like this. Okay, so scanf, I'm going to analyze the input. So if n modulo 5 equal to 0 means printf the given number is divisible. So here I'm using if condition like n divisible by 5 equal to 0. In case you're giving a 5 means 5 divisible by 5 equal to 0. So 1 divisible by is not equal to 0. So therefore it is not a divisible by 5 number. The given number is not divisible by 5. Okay. So this is a simple program by if statement. The output is enter any integer number 25. The given number is divisible by 5. Statement does not belong to if. Okay. Process return to execution time. So again I'm going to 33. The statement does not belong to because the given number is not divisible by 5. Okay. So next one, if else statement. It is also based like a if statement. So the if else statement is used when we have two options. Only one option has to be executed based on a condition. So one is true means it will give one, it will take another way to execute the program. The false means it will take another way to exit the program. Okay, so exam if condition execute the programs. The condition is true means execute the programs, else they execute the program false. The false means execute the different way of program. Okay, for example, the test whether given number is even or odd. Okay, so again same, the printf header files and main function, I'm an integer data type and n a variable clear screen, and the printf statement I'm going to enter one integer. Scanf I'm going to analyze the input statement. So if n divisible by 2, so even or odd means the n is the given number is divisible by 2, so that is called as even number. Okay, so if n divisible by 2 equal to 0 means the printf the given number is even, else print the given number is odd. So I'm going to issue two options. One is even number, another is odd number. Okay, the given number is divisible by 2 means it is a odd even number. The given number is not divisible by 2 means it will print the it is an odd number. Okay, that is, so that is called as if else statement. Okay, so this is output. So enter any integer number 10, so it is an even. So enter the integer number 13, it is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2. Okay, so nested if statement. So nested if statement means, so writing a if statement inside another if statement is called as nested if statement. Okay, so the nested if statements also can be defined and combination of simple if statements. Okay, for the syntax, so if condition 1, so next we are going to use second condition inside the if statements. So first if condition, the main condition is true means it will execute the next if condition. The condition is true means it will take the one output. The condition is false means it will print the another second options. Okay, so I'm going to see about programs. So the example program was the test whether given number is even or odd if it below 100. Okay, so I'm going to check the first 100 numbers, which one is odd or even. Okay, so first of all, header files and a main function and then integer data type n variable clear screen. So printf statement I'm going to enter the integer number. Scanf I'm going to analyze the input. If n less than, so main condition is n greater than 100. If n less than 100. Okay, we have two options. Okay, if n less than 100, then it will going to check the number. So printf the given number is below 100. At the same time, I am going to use the second if statement if n divided by 2 or not. If the given number is divisible by 2 or not. So I am going to main if condition is if n greater than 100, n less than 100. So that I am going to enter the second if statement. Enter the number. The given number is below 100. So that I am going to check second condition if n divisible by 2 equal to 0. If when the given number is divisible by 2 means it will print the even it will print the even output. Otherwise it will take the second option like odd. Okay, for example, output enter an integer number 75. So the given number is below 100. Okay, correct, but and it is a odd number, so not divisible by 2. Okay, so second output enter an integer number 200. The given number is not below 100, so that I cannot check. I cannot check second condition because the number is 200. It is greater than 100, so that I cannot check the condition. So the program directly exit the loop. Okay, so that is if statement. Okay, if else statement. So uh, if else if statement means the writing a statement inside else of an statement is called as if else statement. The else if statement cannot be definition any combination of simple and if else statements. So it is a combination of if, simple if statement and if else statement. So first one I'm going to use a one condition. Second one, the condition is true means else else check another condition. Okay, so we have two different conditions. So one is for example we are going to use check the whether the given age is eligible for vote. So first condition, if age less than 18. Okay, so if this condition is not true, else check another condition, if age greater than 18. Okay, so else 18 is not eligible, it is a greater than 18. So I'm going to do different if conditions to check the program. Okay, so in the second condition in the second condition we have to describe the false statement as well as a true statement. So true means it will going to take a correct input, the false statement means it going to exit the program. Okay, for example find the largest of three numbers. Okay, so here I'm going to three variables like integers data type, a variable, b variable, c variable, clear skin, print of enter the three integer numbers. Okay, if a greater than equal to b and a greater than equal to c. So I'm giving three integers. It will check whether the a and b is greater than c. Okay, so again it will give the printf statement. It a is the largest. Otherwise, if b greater than equal to a and b greater than equal to c. Okay, so first I'm going to check c in, it will go to a and b and to c, and then next one I'm going to check b and a, b and c into a. So otherwise, if this not means the a is greater. Otherwise, it is not that the two printf statement is a false means that directly the program will print the c is greater. Okay, so this is called as if else if statement. Okay, for example enter any three integers number 10, 20, 30. So the checking the three integers, the 30 is the largest number. Okay, so that is called if statement. So this is all about if statement in C programming language. Okay, okay guys, so this is all about if statement. So we will see in next class in next video in switch case statement as well as go to statement. Okay, thank you.